He wasn't the smartest in the room, not the richest, not even the most powerful. Yet he turned a sinking company into an empire. How? With a secret weapon no one saw coming. A method so precise, it cuts errors like a scalpel, leaving only excellence behind. This is the story of how one man mastered Six Sigma and changed everything. After countless sleepless nights and endless job applications, Jake faced rejection after rejection, wondering if his dreams would ever come true. Every interview felt like another mountain to climb, yet his confidence faded each time the hiring manager politely said, "We'll get back to you." Finally, after months of struggle, a small startup took a chance on him, offering hope where the world had only given doubt. After starting his job, he felt invisible as no one valued his ideas or efforts, leaving him lonely and unappreciated. While working, he saw workers struggling with unclear instructions, making mistakes again and again, which slowed production and created unnecessary waste. He noticed the same defect appearing on several products, showing there was a repeating problem in the manufacturing process that no one had fixed. Every time a defect occurred, workers stopped the machines, causing delays in orders and increasing costs. But they didn't know the root cause. He realized this was a perfect case to apply Six Sigma methods, identify the root cause, and improve the process permanently. Now, let's explore what Six Sigma really means, a powerful business strategy to reduce errors and improve efficiency in any process. Six Sigma uses data, charts, and analysis to identify problems, measure performance, and create solutions for higher quality and customer satisfaction. By following Six Sigma methods, companies track performance with graphs and statistics, reducing waste and saving both time and money effectively. It's all about turning numbers into action, using graphs and data to make smart decisions and deliver top-quality results consistently. Jake faced countless challenges convincing the management, as no one trusted his solution to fix the recurring issues. Despite doubt and resistance, he worked day and night, determined to prove that his Six Sigma approach could solve the problem. Jake, a young factory supervisor, noticed constant product defects and delays, worrying customers and causing huge losses. He decided something had to change immediately. After reading a business improvement book, Jake discovered Six Sigma, a method to reduce defects, improve quality, and save money in production processes. Jake called a meeting with his factory team, explaining the Six Sigma plan and how together they could solve problems faster and smarter. Jake defined the main problem: 15% of products failed quality checks, wasting resources. He set a target to reduce defects to less than 3%.
Using measuring tools and quality checklists, Jake collected data on every step of the production line to find exactly where defects were happening. Jake studied the data, realizing most defects came from one faulty machine that caused uneven product sizes during packaging. Jake replaced the faulty parts, retrained workers, and redesigned the workflow to make the process smoother, faster, and more accurate. Jake introduced weekly inspections and real-time quality tracking to ensure the improvements stayed permanent and defects didn't return. In just 2 months, defect rates dropped from 15% to only 2%, saving the company thousands and making customers happy again. Jake's Six Sigma project became a success story, earning him a promotion and inspiring other departments to start their own improvement journeys. Thank you for sharing this special moment with us. If this story touched your heart and brought a smile, please subscribe and become a part of our family, so together we can spread love, hope, and beautiful stories to everyone.